up, everybody? Okay, so this video is more about asking you what you'd like to learn. What do you want this channel to evolve into? I mean, we've covered pretty much everything DAS. The latest updates of the newest DAS I was gonna do, but there's a million things on there already. Tips and tricks and techniques I'll always do. I want to go more into Unreal Engine, maybe using DAS. I think it's a cool combination. I mean, better combinations are MetaHuman with Unreal. A couple of you asked me to cover using DAS clothes for MetaHumans, which I will get into. I'll get into. Ari's on it. Ari's on it already. I want to get into maybe something like this background, where start learning how to create stages from scratch using free assets and stuff, so we can get everybody up and running. I'd like to get more and more into Unreal Engine because it's beast, man. I use this program every day of my life, and it's bar none just the coolest thing on earth, man. So tell me your ideas. Tell me what you'd like to learn. Is it ZBrush? Is it DAZ? Is it Maya? Blender? I'm not amazing with Blender. I use a couple of the features, turning DAZ hair into Groom for Unreal. I use it for that. I use it for some modeling, sculpting, but I'm not heavy into Blender. I want to start getting more and more into Blender as they destroy Maya more and more each year. So slowly pushing people into Blender, and I think the majority of the newer generation use Blender. I think Maya is a dying program. It's amazing. I'll always love my Maya, but unfortunately, I think Autodesk is, kind of shooting that one more and more every day. Every year there's an update. Oh, look, we've got bloom in the screen. We don't. It doesn't have bloom yet. It's got nothing. I don't think it's updated in the past 20 years. But anyway, at least it costs thousands a year to use. I want to start getting into like Embergen. Maybe if you guys are keen on that, how to start making explosions and cool effects and fog effects and stuff for Unreal Engine or DAS, VBM, VDM, or whatever the hell they called, volumetric, whatever's. Creating your own within Embergen, and exporting them into DAS or Unreal Engine. Animation is a big one. I love animating things, and maybe you want to learn how to animate. Let me know where you want this to go, where I should start focusing on. If it's up to me, I'm just going to go into Unreal full blown, and then using the programs around it for Unreal. Kind of like using DAS, using ZBrush, using Maya, using Blender, Quixels and things like this, Substance Painter. Maybe you want to learn editing or visual effects using After Effects or Premiere or whatever it is. Ari, what is it? Shut up, Ari! Get to the corner! So let me know. Yeah, as always, thanks. Thanks for letting me know. Thanks for sticking. Thanks for growing this channel. I mean, we're over 2K, which is quite crazy. And I'm going to do a spoof thank you video soon on that one. Anyway, let's keep this short. Let me know what you want to learn. If there's big enough ask for it, then I'll go into these things. And big enough for my channel is like one and a half people. 2 people, that's like an overwhelming response. And that's all, Ari. Aye, it's right, you little wee bastard. So as we wind down for the end of the year, which I'm happy about, man, this year, man. But anyway, next year, let it be a great one with Ari and Moritz, Hans, Klaus, all of these people. We try and do some good things, ja. Machen Sie sehr gute Dinge für meine deutsche Freunde. Alright, guys. Anyway, I hope you have a great weekend. Shout at me. Don't shout. Don't shout, mate. Don't go, aye, Ari. Yeah, you can shout at Ari. Ari's a bastard. You can do what you want to Ari. But let me know. Hopefully we make this community a lot stronger next year. We've got some good people here, and I thank you guys and girls. I mean, some of you are awesome, man. You know who you are. You're always there. You've made this into something great, and I enjoy it, man. Just for that reason. The few things that we'll always continue with is reviews of products. I want to start getting to reviews and updates, things that, good assets, because this time and age, there's so many assets out there that it's difficult to get through them. So programs, assets, plugins, things like this that we do anyway. We won't stop this. This is awesome, and I like doing these. What about artist interviews? What about you know, send in your works, which I got the idea from a good friend David. Send in your works and see how to improve them, and then show the end result. Give feedback on people's works and stuff. Tell me what you think, what you want, what you really, really want, what you really, really want. All right, people. Have a lovely weekend. All right. Cheers. Cheers.